Hi, I'm Arpaia, and I wanted to congratulate you on the purchase of your Philips pasta maker and welcome you to the Philips family. I'm going to help you get set up and ready to go so you can be making pasta every night of the week. So first, you want to rinse all the parts, clean and dry it thoroughly prior to assembly, and I'm going to quickly go over to make sure you have all your parts. Included with your pasta maker is the pasta maker, the storage drawer for your discs, the disc cover, 4 different shaping discs, your heavy extrusion cover, the pasta cutter, a little cleaner to clean out the pasta, the Philips measuring cup, which is different from regular measuring cups. It's important, don't lose this. The Philips lid, the mixing paddle, the mixing chamber, and finally an instructional and recipe booklet combined. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start with sliding the mixing chamber into the product like this. Then insert the mixing paddle through the front of the mixing chamber and into the hole at the back of the unit. Now you can attach the disc holder onto the appliance, making sure that the mixing paddle is aligned and supported in the opening of the disc holder. Put the shaping disc onto the disc holder by lining up the notches. I'm attaching the rigatoni disc, and make sure it is firmly in place. Now attach the front panel to the main unit. It's heavy, so be careful. It's important that you tighten the knobs as much as possible to make sure there is no gap between the housing of the pasta maker and the front panel. If it is not 100% completely tightened, the force needed to extrude the pasta will not be possible, and the pasta will not come out. Okay, so let me walk you through a basic recipe for the first time. I'm going to make a traditional pasta with just all-purpose flour and water. First, the measuring cup that's included with the pasta maker is the key to your success. It is not a standard measuring cup and should always be used to make sure you have the best result possible. So 1 cup of flour is ½ pound. Okay, I'm just going to fill this up, and you don't have to pack it. You can also use different types of flour, semolina, durum wheat, lupin. You can experiment in all different kinds of ways. Okay, so 1 cup of flour is ½ pound. No need to shake or hit the flour cup to remove excess flour. Just pour it into the mixing chamber. So pasta is made with flour and water, or flour and an egg mixture, which is egg and water, or egg and, for example, a fresh pressed vegetable juice. Now you look at the included measuring cup to figure out your liquid. In our recipe, we're going to use water, and since we only used 1 cup of flour, we're going to just fill the water to the first line on the cup. Press the on-up button to switch on the appliance, and then press the Start Pause button to start the automatic pasta making program. Now the display will start counting down and the mixing paddle will start to turn. Now slowly pour your liquid into the lid's opening while your pasta maker is mixing like this. Look at the machine go. Now during this mixing stage, you should be seeing a crumbly consistency rather than a fully shaped dough. I think this is really important because if you haven't watched my tutorial yet or didn't read the booklet, most people think they're looking for a fully shaped dough, and that means there's too much liquid in it. That's not the case here. All it needs is this beautiful crumbly consistency. Okay, you hear that? After 3 minutes, the pasta starts to extrude, and you can cut the pasta to your preferred size with the included cutter. And here it comes. Oh, that's so cool. Homemade rigatoni. I cut it right here. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at that, just flour and water and pasta in under 10 minutes. You can pretend you slaved all day. This is so cool. And if you have a pasta, a pot of water boiling, you can put it to boil, and by the time it makes the pasta, you throw the pasta right in for a gorgeous fresh pasta. You don't need much else. Cooking time depends on personal preferences, pasta shapes, number of servings. Make sure you use a lot of water and a lot of salt. Fresh made pasta will keep in the refrigerator for a few days, or if you made a big batch, you could easily freeze them. But just remember, when you take it out of the freezer, do not let them thaw. They go right into a boiling pot of water for the best results. Now, the best part is that all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. So cleanup is easy and you can have fresh pasta in no time. Make sure to register your pasta maker by texting a photo of this camera icon so you can receive an extended warranty, new recipes, and special discounts, including one for 40% off any accessory kit for more pasta shapes. So what will you make with your Philips pasta maker? I want to know. Show us on social media by tagging #PhilipsPastaMaker and following me on social media at Donatella Arpaia for new and exciting content. And pasta.